Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove rows in Power BI. Now here I have this report opened up. Come to the home section and click on transform data. Okay, then click on transform data again. It will open up your Power Query Editor. And from this section, you'll see here at the top, it says remove rows. Now if I click on this down arrow, you'll see multiple different options. If I click on the first one, it would remove the top rows. Okay, this one will remove the bottom rows. This one will remove the alternate rows. So for example, it would, let's say, remove row number 3, and then it would alternate, remove row number 5, for example, right? And then we have remove duplicates, remove blank rows, and remove errors. For example, I'll do remove duplicates. You just click on it and it will start the process. If there's any duplicates, it will remove it and will show here under the applied steps. As you can see earlier, I had also removed the blank rows. So that is how you do it. Really that easy and simple. Come here, click on X, and make sure you save the changes as well. And there you go.